In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up forms in Framer. We'll move from a blank canvas to a functional styled form you can use on any page in your project. Open Framer in your browser or desktop app and head into the project where you want the form to live. Make sure you're on the canvas of the page or frame that will hold the form so you can place it exactly where you need it. Look toward the top of the interface for the plus icon. This opens the Insert menu, which is where Framer keeps components and UI elements. Clicking it reveals categories you can browse. Hover your cursor over the Forms category to see the available options. You'll notice individual inputs as well as a complete, ready-to-use form component. The full form option is perfect when you want structure, built-in states, and a submit button without assembling everything from scratch. Choose the form and drag it onto your page. Drop it inside the frame or section that controls your layout. If you're designing responsively, place it within an auto layout stack or grid so it scales nicely on different screen sizes. Use the alignment guides in the properties panel to set width behavior, like filling the container or staying at a fixed width. With the form selected, start making edits. Update labels and placeholders so they're clear and helpful. Add or remove fields from the layer panel to match your needs, and reorder them by dragging. For fields like email, set the type appropriately to enable built-in validation, and toggle required where it matters. Customize the button text and fine-tune success and error messages so users know exactly what happened after submission. Style everything to match your brand. Tweak fonts, colors, spacing, borders, and corner radius. Keep accessibility in mind by ensuring labels are present and readable, contrast is sufficient, and the tab order makes sense. As you adjust, jump into Preview to check interactions, focus states, and responsiveness. When everything looks and feels right, you've got a clean, functional form embedded in your Framer page, ready to collect the information you need.